Our skincare routine today, mine takes, I think, 2 minutes and 43 seconds.
Exactly. Yeah.
So it's much quicker. I spend a lot less time in the bathroom on my skincare and more time flossing.
Dentist appreciates
Yeah,
that, I'm sure.
my dentist appreciates the outset. I wash my face, I brush my teeth, I put on my serum, and then I put on my day cream, and that's it.
Yeah. I mean, I found that I have to use less makeup to cover things up because my skin is always like much more in balance and at its kind of healthiest state. Cleanse, prep, moisturize, boom, kind of out the door.
I also prep my skin usually for work. One of the things I love about the outside is that it doesn't have that sort of tackiness that a lot of products that have, like hyaluronic acid have.
Right.
That we get pilling and tackiness.
Right.
So I actually can go to work and just put my makeup on
So
over
not
everything.
only does your dentist appreciate it, your makeup.
My makeup artist does.
Wow, you're welcome.
Definitely been
It was
a
humbling,
journey.
wasn't it?
It's been a journey. But look at us now.